Economic indicators play a crucial role in helping traders evaluate the overall health of an economy. These indicators offer valuable insights into key factors like employment rates, inflation levels, and GDP growth, which are essential in understanding market trends. By delving deep into these indicators and analyzing their implications, binary options traders can make well-informed decisions when trading. Being aware of the economic landscape and how it can impact asset prices is vital for traders looking to navigate the binary options market successfully. In binary options trading, key economic indicators such as the Consumer Price Index, CPI, Nonfarm Payrolls, NFP, and Gross Domestic Product, GDP, hold significant importance. These indicators serve as barometers of economic performance and can directly impact market volatility and asset prices. Traders must closely monitor the release schedules of these indicators to stay ahead of market movements. Understanding the potential impact of CPI, NFP, and GDP on asset values is essential for binary options traders aiming to make informed decisions and capitalize on market trends. Utilizing economic indicators effectively in binary options trading involves identifying potential trading opportunities aligned with market expectations. Successful traders combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis to make informed decisions and enhance their trading strategies. By staying informed about economic developments, adapting to varying market conditions, and strategically incorporating economic indicators into their trading approach, traders can increase their likelihood of success in the binary options market.